Okay.
Okay, good. Now we are recording this session. So as we can see here, look, we have inverse head and shoulders
Mm-hmm.
right here, and we can see inverse head and shoulders right here. See, and we can see the neckline here, right here, and here. Look, neckline, and here is entry. So we need to enter it after the breakout of the neckline. Okay, and then here is the. Let me tell you where should be the target. So draw a trend line here from the top to bottom. We need to cover the head. Okay, and then after the breakout, you got the target. Easy, right? You don't need to draw anything. That's just automatically drawn. So here you is your target from 1.36 to 1.39. Okay, so that's the target. Let me mark it as arrow here. See, easy. So let's move on to the next one. It's double bottom or double top. And here is double top. Here is a double top, and here is a double top as well. One, top two here as well. Top one, top two,
Oh.
drop, double top, drop, double top, drop. See, and the double bottom here, as we can see, it's called Gartley or butterfly. Something. There are different names. Double bottom here. So I will show you. Wait, there are more. Uh, there are more, just like that. It's called reversal chart pattern. Look, double top and the retest to this node and then drop. Similarly, look, double top and the sometimes here. This is a perfect example.
Mm-hmm.
Here,
I see that one.
double top, okay, and then came up, retest this
Retest.
line, and
Yep.
then drop. See,
You actually got an extra retest on that one.
sometimes it happens. Just like this one here, uh, double top and retest to this line and then drop. Okay, so let me remove drawing and then move on to the next. Similarly, there are double bottoms here, double bottom and more bounce up, and look, perfect double bottom W, and here's the neckline here. Here's the neckline. Here's a little bit profit, but drop back down again, and then again double bottom here, and then here is the breakout. Here is the take profit. So that's
Oh.
pretty much it. And there are more. Hmm, yeah, here are some wedges, some rising wedges, and bullish pennants. They are pretty obvious. Bull flag, bear flag. So let me show you. Here is a falling wedge. Okay, perfect example of a falling wedge. It's forming, by the way. It's 4 hours. Let me take you to the different time frames. All different time frames will show you different
Mm-hmm.
charts. So we saw the head, like inverse head and shoulders as well. And on the 4 hours, we saw big inverted head and shoulder, which are these. So there are patterns inside the pattern. Here is we can say
So when I see those extensions, those extended trend lines right there, what is actually happening right there?
yes,
Coming from that
it's
top,
they are forming.
the red,
Yes,
trend line going down, going across.
yes. So these price will move
Exactly
inside
where
this.
you're
Yes.
there.
Now all time frames will show you different patterns because all time frames move differently. Look,
Oh, okay.
everything is forming. Everything is indicating bullish. Everything is bullish. Like in 4 hours, what we saw was the inverse head and shoulders, and on 20 minutes, sorry, on 30 minutes, we see this rising channel. So everything is bullish. So we pretty much know that market is bullish. So we will only choose, the long entry. So here's another inverse head and shoulder on 1 hour. So that was the small, similar 4 hours, but let's move on to 1 minute, by the way. And here is a bullish pennant, just like here, ascending triangle,
Huh.
and then here some descending triangle, symmetrical triangle. So this one is kind of looking like ascending to me. Let's see what more. Symmetrical falling wedge, bullish rectangle, bullish pennant, yeah, something like that. But there's a breaking downside. This triangle is breaking downside, so price will probably move downside because this is 1 minute time frame, so it won't make a much difference. It will touch here and reverse. So let's move on to 3 hours. You can see plenty of different patterns. To me, it's looking like a bull flag. Okay, let's move on to some other pair like PTC. And you know already how to use Armour, but if you know how to use this one, then it's like ice on the cake. Here, it's forming this rising broadening wedge. So my prediction is it should come down and test 51,000 or 50,500. It's our previous high here, right here, 50,500 or 900, somewhere here, and then bounce back up. It could also test this 52,800 or 850, and then bounce back. It's 45 minutes short. It's 2 hours. This one is 2 hours. It's very good, parabolic. And 3 hours. Let me check. 3 hours. A little bit confusing, in my opinion. Yeah, this one already breaks out. So this one doesn't make any sense. But there is something bigger is going on higher time frame. So let's keep switching to higher. This is 6 hours. Nope. 1 day.
Like
that's definitely broken. Definitely broken.
So what on your settings, like that orange line that I keep seeing, the bull trap color, what does that actually mean?
I'll just explain everything. Just let me just check because I'm already scrolling this. Let me check where the price is going to go. Here, so 61,800 could be the possible next target after the correction. It's holding pretty strong. It's around 54,000 now. Okay. So okay, let's move on to some technical stuff inside this. So here are some Gartley crab, deep crab, bad per price, chart, cipher. Just click OK. You will see all. Oh my God, my screen just disappeared.
I lost your screen.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah. So yes, now as you can see, you will see more patterns down there. I just enabled all. Let me reset it. Okay, and then let me enable. Oh shit! No, not this. What is this?
That's the regular setting for trading view.
Yeah, just wait. Hold on. Let me go to the settings here and click on reset settings. Then click on zigzag. Click OK. And
you gotta.
No, don't worry. Click OK. And settings. Something I messed up with settings, I think. Yeah. So there are some other patterns. You will search some settings like Gartley pattern. Okay. I will show you what is Gartley. Here is bullish Gartley and bearish Gartley. Perfect example. Here is another one. This one is very
M's
good.
and W's.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let me open it. Yeah. So here is one. It's A B C correction or A B C D correction, and then price move up. That's bullish Gartley. Okay. And here is bearish Gartley. It's like M pattern where one head is smaller, C wave is smaller than the A wave, and on the bearish Gartley, C wave is it's always smaller. So you count it as A B C from the top, and from bottom A B C. So C wave is smaller than A wave, and then when the D wave completes, price drops. So that's bearish. I'm sorry about the background noise.
No problem.
Yeah. Now where are you? Let me enable Gartley pattern. Gartley. Okay.
Okay, I see it.
Yeah,
So
here
right
is
there
a
at the
guide.
bottom,
Here is a Gartley, right? We found
you're
it.
gonna buy a D on that one.
Yes. Now, A, B, and C. You can see the C wave is smaller, and when the C wave is finished, and then you will see this warning like A, B, C, D exit, and then boom,
Right.
price moves upside. And then similarly, here is bearish. Okay, so bearish you will find out soon. Whenever you keep scrolling, and here is bearish. See, so C wave is a smaller, just like that. C wave is smaller. When the C wave is finished, we'll see this some sort of label, or scalper will tell you the C wave is finished already. You need to exit, and then boom, crash. And now deep crab. There are some more examples here. Deep crab pattern. Here, look. So the deep crab, the wave D is usually very long. So here A, B, C. Again, the C wave is smaller, but in order to make a deep crab or bearish crab, the wave needs to be long. D wave should be long. That's for bearish. If it's for bullish, then again D wave should be long. A, B, C, and then look, the point D should be long, and then boom, upside move. So similarly here A, B, C, and then D wave long, and then crash. It moved a little bit higher, by the way, and then crash is severe, very big. And let's move on to the other pattern. There are butterflies. Butterfly is similar, like double bottom or something like that. You know, I'm not a big fan of harmonic, but some people use it. So I added harmonic as well. So look, here is a butterfly. See, here are two bullish butterfly, where here is one bullish and second bullish butterfly. Oh shit! Wow, this noise.
It's kind of similar to the regular Gartley though.
Yeah, similar. So here, A, B, C, D. So and upside move. So you know, there is not much difference about the crab and the butterfly and this Gartley. You know, let me enable short cipher. You know, some pattern is giving a problem in the code. Maybe cipher. Is it cipher?
Look like
yeah,
it.
cipher. Showing us. Yeah, here's a bat. Very similar double bottom, perfect double bottom and bounce.
Wow.
Here's the butterfly. By the way, whenever we see entry signal here, it confirms that this is the double bottom. And entry signal is like solid confirmation when this price is about to reverse. So plus this ABCD exit label is also very good.
Hmm.
Let me move over. Yes. So here is one ABCD exit, upside, entry signal, upside, and double bottom on the scalper. So double bottom on the scalper also works good. And here is the bullish divergence, which is a hidden, there is one hidden divergence and then one regular divergence. Here is
Lower,
lower
yeah.
low on the price, and double
Higher high.
double bottom here, and that's hidden divergence, and then plus
Mm-hmm.
entry signal for confirmation upside move. And here, a double bottom here, and a hidden divergence here. When there is a double bottom on the candles here, the similar price, not much difference. And then here is lower low on the copper. That's called hidden divergence. If you search on Google, you will find it. Plus, plus, there is one more pattern here. It is a bullish divergence, big wave and the trigger wave, and then price goes sideways, but it's bullish. Price is holding strong, just like BTC was holding strong here at 44. Then everyone was bearish, but I was keep saying buy, buy. So price moved up just like that. Let's move on to 2 hours. So that's pretty much it. These lines are really, really amazing if you know how to use them wisely. You don't need to draw anything from now on. Just forget about drawing. Just forget about this piece.
Right. That's gonna be a huge help. Seriously.
No more headache for drawing patterns. So that's the solid confirmation for me that we are moving towards the bullish territory. This triangle is amazing. It's coming from straight 13,000 now. In my opinion, it should come down and test this 50,500. But if even if it don't, I'm still happy because I already bought at the dip.
Man.
3 days. Oh wow! I just didn't notice it before. Big wave and then the small wave. We're turning green just now. Turning green just pretty fast. Last week or maybe this week, earlier this week. It just turned green and then price is moving back up. And notice where we are now. Which pattern we are following. Just check here. Here. Bearish shortly. Just wait. Yeah, maybe it could be the bearish Gartley. So here, but at least it will move up. It will move up. It's moving up.
Look,
Let
should do
me
you
let
do
me
you
check.
recommend to leave the candlesticks and the Haganashi candles and
You can move on to any candle pattern
okay,
won't
so
change.
it really wouldn't matter. It'd still draw it
No.
out.
Yes. Just hold on. Let me check. 1 week. 1 week. Entry signals on 1 week on 29, 30, 30,000. Then moving up. Just let me check on 3 days. Okay. 3 days. Where we are now. Either way, the D wave is bearish, but the D wave is usually very very long. Mm-hmm. Okay. Trading short patterns. I have seen this pattern before. I know that. Just wait. Maybe we will know the target. You know, trading takes a lot of patience,
Oh yeah.
and people say it's a gamble and it's very easy.
Just when you think you have enough patience, you don't.
You know, some people do have. Some people do have, and I'm not exaggerating a bit. I believe I have a very good patience. I'm not at the expert level yet when it comes to patience, but I have it. I don't want to be one of those people who says I have diamond hands. I'm never selling. I'm selling when I double or more. I sell. I at least I take out my seed money. Yeah, that's about here.
Mm,
It's very difficult to find a similar pattern, but I know that I have seen somewhere. Hey, one, here, and here, here. Something similar, right? So this one looks good. This one looks identical. Top, drop, retest again to the 29,000 and similarly moving up. But pattern is not complete. But it's
doesn't.
okay. We have a bullish divergence on 2 days.
Look, so like how you got that the orange, I don't know, in your settings it says bull trap. I just want to kind of be clear on, I guess, the meaning of that bull trap
Where
color,
is
which is that on
where you saw it?
right there, right there. Go back up. You see
Where?
your colors right there?
Yeah,
Yeah, you see bull trap color, got that the
orange, orange.
orange, and
Yes.
then the
So
bear yeah.
yeah, I know. This is like when we say ABC correction. So that would be the B wave. So it's
Okay,
usually a
okay.
smaller wave, and then it forms. It comes down and then move up. So D wave is always bigger, a bigger wave.
Okay, cool,
So let
cool.
me let me show you some of the examples here.
That makes
And
sense. That's the B wave.
move drawings, and here, there we go. We have a good example. So the orange wave usually is like bull trap. So like its name, whenever the price after a correction, there is called a relief rally, right? So
Mhm.
example, some people bought here, they lost like 80%, and then price move up a little bit, and then they believe that they managed to recover some of it. Okay, and then um, people becomes bullish once again, and then price drops again. So that's a complete mind game, right? So whenever the color changes to orange, then we know that it's a bull trap. It won't go much higher. So that's the time we need to prepare for another drop, and then again here is the bullish divergence right here, lower low and higher high, then price moves
Right.
up. So finally the third line should be the green, fourth line, I'm sorry, is red, orange, red, and then finally the green line, which is good, a correction up to 61.8, as you can see from the Fibonacci tool. Here it should be close to 61 here, exactly same. Look,
Yep. 618.
0.168. So then drop, boom. So these calculations that you can see on the indicators, they are perfect, at perfect balance. So don't believe on orange, always believe on green.
Yeah, I just want to know at least what it meant,
Yeah. So here 61.8, then no, it's 0.38 or sometimes maybe 0.5. Yeah, 38, somewhere close to 382, and then drop. Yeah, 61 and 3. So whenever after a big drop, price usually moves around 0.382 and 6 or 1.68. So smart people long from the bottom and exit at 0.382, and then they take another entry below 0.236 or close to the bottom, and then price moves back up. So that's how we buy the dip. We sell at the top, like we sold earlier on 7 September. So 1 month ago, when this drop occurred, $10,000. Sold to
Mhm.
sell. Now price will come down again to similar price to retest, and then it will move back up.
From that drop, it went back to the 618 and dropped again.
Yeah. So what will happen? So maybe price will come here at 2,500, just like I said, here at the September 7 top, and look where this automatic trend line is forming, and it will test here and then move back up. So
So that comes in. Is that a part of the settings as well? That trend line that's drawn?
yes, it's these wedges or triangles or damn, I hate
Oh man.
this one. By the way, I'm on my house gallery, just sitting here, so that's why um, the road is very close. So yeah, um, these these lines that you see are the lines which you saw here. So these lines, these red lines will form automatically. You won't do anything.
Okay.
So you need to just identify, okay, and confirm
Okay.
your entry with the scalper.
I don't know if they're like pitchfork fib lines or anything like that. I'm just wondering.
Pitchforks, I don't think pitchforks are helpful. But if you keep switching the time frames, you will find similar patterns like pitchforks. You will identify it easily, because if you won't enable it, and just keep scrolling, you will have a lot of trouble drawing those lines manually. Man,
Okay.
just so confusing. Just let me switch on 5 minutes. Look, so confusing, so confusing. What we will do? We'll just draw a line
Okay.
from here to here. Then we will think the price breakout, but eventually it will come down back again. But whenever we will enable it, so it will take lot of confusion away, because
Yes, it does.
we are
Big
in
time.
broadening falling channel, but we were thinking it is a falling wedge, but we were unaware from this broadening thing. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. Okay, man.
And I appreciate the tutorial, man. I really do. Thank you for that.
Yeah, so I'll close the tutorial now. So I think I have given the useful information already. So I'll upload it in my website and in YouTube as well.
Awesome. Appreciate